Hey, it's John Roshell, resident font scientist at Comicraft and Swell, and this is Tips for Lettering Comic Books in Procreate. In part 3, we're going to talk about word arrangement, which is getting a block of text into a shape that's ready for a word balloon. I've got another panel here from Ask for Mercy, and I've got the dialogue imported and placed near the characters who are speaking. Now, the first adjustment you can make is by using the bounding box. And this works very similar to Illustrator. You just grab either the blue dots on the left or the right sides and just slide that guy around until you have more or less a round shape for the text. And then the next step to really dial it in, use hard returns. It's always nice to break after punctuation if you can, so I'll hit right before the capital I here and hit a return. And then I'll go right before this and hit another return. Now when you're shaping your text blocks, aim for a diamond shape. And what this means is the top and bottom lines are going to be the narrowest. The middle line is going to be the widest, and the other lines, if there were any, would fit in between. And this creates a diamond shape. So let's work with this second balloon here. So I'll grab the right handle and just kind of get it into a roughly balloon shape. I'm going to try putting a return after what. And really oftentimes, as long as I've been lettering, I will still take 3 or 4 tries to get a balloon into the right arrangement. And you also have to think about the space you have to work with. In this case, this panel's got a lot of room. But if there was a tight-fitting panel, you've got to account for the space you have available. Now, small balloons are pretty easy to format, but let's pretend for a second that this balloon had a lot more text in it. Again, we can use the side handle to roughly format it. Looks like 5 lines is probably going to suit this one pretty well. And then I'll use some hard returns to dial it in exactly how I want it. I'll start by putting them after the punctuation to keep phrases on their own lines. And then I'm going to tweak the last line here to get it into a diamond shape. So now that we got our text formatted, we'll see you next time for drawing balloons.